Time travel has always been an impossible dream. But if you pick the right place to go off the beaten path, you can find a way to places from the past. Maybe through a doorway to an ancient city, which got there centuries before you did, and froze the clocks forever. A world protected by towering canyons, by steep passes, broken rocks, and unforgiving dusty trails, waiting patiently on the other side, only for those who dare to ride on. For days, we pushed our machines and ourselves onwards and upwards through Nepal's changing terrains, until we emerged at Lo Manthang in what seemed like centuries before 2019. Then, that timeless question pulled up the map again.